Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to share Google Drive link. Firstly, open your Google Drive using your browser or app. Sign in with your Google account. When you're done, go to the My Drive section to view your files and folders. Right-click on the file or folder you wish to share, then select Share from the drop-down menu. A share box will appear. Type the email address of the person you want to share with. Adjust the permissions like viewer, commenter or editor by clicking the drop-down next to the email. Just click Send to share the file via email. The recipient will receive an email notification with the link. In the same share box, just click Copy Link. Change the access from restricted to anyone with the link if you want to share it with anyone. Set the access level and copy link and share it via platforms like email, chat, social media. Then click Done when finished. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.